Hey Jackie, my name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and you and your husband had submitted a request for my Facebook ad for help getting more leads. We talked on the phone the other day, you were at the bank, and I didn't hear back from you, so I thought I put together this video for you, and then maybe we could regroup and see exactly what you're looking for. So, um, the first thing I tried to do here, well, here is your Google My Business page. I believe this is yours. Um, you don't have a website listed here. The website you guys provided me is getting this error here. So I'm not sure what is actually going on with your website. But your website is going to be really critical because nearly 70% of your organic leads that would convert into new patients come from your website. Your website should be like a virtual cash machine. So let's look at your top organic competitor in West Valley for medical clinics. We have Intermountain Healthcare. You guys aren't competing against this entire website, just the West Valley Clinic. But if we look here, let's see. A little information. Not a whole lot going on this page, actually. So Google does not rank websites based on appearance. It is based on content, and content is key. So you need a ton of content on your homepage, based around your local buyer intent or patient intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords your patients are looking for in West Valley for your services. Your homepage should have a brief summary of each of your different services using the relevant keywords for West Valley. And then you're going to need a separate page for every individual service that you offer. So you can also focus on those local keywords for those services. Google has little robots called crawlers that go and index all of the pages looking for your content and keywords so they can put you in front of your customers. Um, Now, a website by itself is not enough to be found online. It does need to be supported by SEO, search engine optimization, and it doesn't happen overnight. But for the long haul, this is where how you get those organic leads. That 70% is because your website is properly optimized and then supported by SEO. So we're not actually here. This is the backside of West Valley Clinic. Since we're not competing as the entire website, we don't care how their domain is rated. We only care about the West Valley Clinic, and they have a rating of a 25 with over 900 backlinks and 47 referring domains. Now, while you do need a lot of these, not all are created equal. So you do need to make sure that you're getting the high quality referring domains that are directly related to the services you're offering or treatments you're offering. And they do need to be do follows so that they share the power of the higher ranking sites. And then Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So anything else is looked at as spam. Now, a referring domain, this is just any website that would provide your website with a link. And the backlink is the physical link coming from another website to your website with the intention of driving traffic. Now, these guys only have 10 do follow links. So only 10 of these backlinks are even remotely helping their website. So you would have to beat those 10 referring domains in quantity as well as quality. And then you would have to link those with your keywords so that you could rank your keywords to the first page of Google. Now, these guys have been indexed for 322 keywords, and they're getting 485 people to their website. So you definitely would have to have your website. You'd have to build out your content, your pages, focus on your keywords, and then and then tie those backlinks so that you can drive this traffic as well and convert these guys into new patients. And then the last piece of this is the Google My Business section. So your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your keywords, because 30% of people search only in this map section here and don't search anywhere else. So if you're not listed here, you send all those potential new patients to your competing practices. So in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the most important is going to be citations. And that's going to be the name of your practice, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and Glassdoor. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitor. But when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and in your service area using those buyer intent or patient intent keywords supported by your SEO. Additional options would be pay-per-click advertising and Facebook advertising. Those get more immediate results than your SEO, and they do work together. So you could work on your website and SEO, and to get leads coming in right away, you could start with pay-per-click and Facebook, and then as your SEO starts working, you can start lowering those ads. So that is another way to go as well. Sorry about that. My computer is so touchy. But anyways, thank you for reaching out on Facebook and requesting help getting leads, and for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I would love to get your feedback. If you are still interested in seeing what we could do to help you with your practice, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.